Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today we are taking a closer look at the folding detachable polycarbonate windshield for the Polaris RZR Pro XP models. Look, I don't normally get excited about windshields too often, but this thing is awesome. What stands out about this is the versatility. There are 3 different configurations that you can run this windshield. You have it up like we do right now. You can have it folded down onto the brackets that mount to the hood so it's down out of your way, or if you're gonna be in a situation where you just don't want a windshield that day, you can completely detach it in a matter of seconds, leave it in the garage, put it in the bed of your truck, and then just throw it back on there when you do wanna use it. So it is the most versatile windshield that you are going to see, and that's what we love about it. Some other great features, it's polycarbonate, which means it's affordable. It's much less expensive than a glass windshield. It's scratch resistant. Look, we've had this one on this Pro XP for months now. We've gotten it dirty. We've cleaned it multiple times, and it still looks awesome. So you still get great durability, even being polycarbonate. As far as the install process goes for this, it's very simple. You have aluminum brackets here that go on the roll cage. There's a mount up here at the top. You can buy this to fit with both the Tusk Force aluminum roof and the Polaris OEM roof. It's gonna work with both. But how you handle this or operate, it's very simple. You have these fastening knobs up here at the top. So if you wanna fold it down, you just loosen those, fold it down again onto these brackets here. But if you want to completely remove it, you just have these hinges down here at the bottom, and you can just pop the whole windshield off in a matter of seconds. So very easy to use. Another thing about this that I like too is the field of view. When you're inside here, because you look, the whole windshield is all polycarbonate, so there is no frame. So you don't lose any field of view when you're driving inside. So again, just a lot of really cool features about this windshield that we're very excited about. If you have a Pro XP and you're shopping for a full windshield that's going to have the most versatility, this is hands down the best option. If you have questions, comments, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. We also do have glass windshield options for the Pro XP. As you can see, we have a rear polycarbonate window also installed on here. So if you're trying to enclose your cab, easy to do that. To grab one, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Now, they are machine specific, so remember, it's for the Pro XP models, the 2 and 4-seater. Remember though that there is a different version depending if you have the OEM roof from Polaris or if you have the Force roof. So just make sure you select the correct one in the drop-down menu. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And please, if you like product spotlights like this, you want to stay up to date on these, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase. I'm going to see you on the trails.